Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Warmy AI. Now Warmy AI claims to be auto all-in-one tool for email deliverability to make your email channel reliable. Your domains and IPs are prepared for email outreach campaigns, guaranteeing the highest email deliverability by utilizing state-of-the-art AI-driven automation process. You can book a demo or get a 7-day trial. And there's no credit card required, you can cancel anytime. Let's get started with the review. Now, we're going to start with the pros. You see, Warmy.io is highly effective at improving email deliverability by automating the warm-up process and stimulating real email activity, which helps build a positive sender reputation. It offers features like deliverability tests, blacklist monitoring, and integration with major email providers, making it a comprehensive tool for ensuring your emails land in the inbox. When it comes to the cons, some users may find the cost to be a barrier, especially for higher volume plans where advanced features are unlocked. The initial setup might also have a slight learning curve for those new to email warm-up tools, but overall, Warmy.io is a powerful tool that significantly enhances email outreach and success by getting your messages seen by the right people. What are you waiting for? Book a demo or get a 7-day trial today.